on unusual whales. Let's go ahead and scroll down here to the highest open interest contracts and the highest volume contracts. Feel free to pause the screen here if you want to take a screenshot. I'm going to go ahead and now scroll down into the analyst ratings. Now take this with a grain of salt. From 2024 all the way to the latest analyst here on unusual whales. We got 2025 January 7th here, Cantor putting it as a $3 target and a hold. And then many of these are going to range between $3 to $5, with our lowest being a $2 price target by RPC. Again, take this with a grain of salt. I'm just trying to show you guys what the analysts are price targeting this and putting it as a recommendation. A lot of them putting it as a hold, with the exception of 2 sells and 1 buy during the last year. Going into the Webull now to view the technical analysis side of things and also the chart. We have Lucid here down about 8% today. Keep in mind, earnings is this week, and we also have a lot of volatility going on throughout the entire market, right? We even have Palantir here down 9%, Tesla down 2%, SMCI down about 5%, APLD down 17%. A lot of stocks are down today, including Amazon. And so with that in mind, we do have Lucid here down about 8% today. I'm viewing between 282 to about 240 as a potential dip opportunity. Now, I don't think we're going to break down below 240. If anything, I think Lucid gets a reversal back to the 200 EMA on the daily chart. That's just my personal opinion, and that's at $3.12. I believe that is potentially also a 10% move back up towards the top side. So definitely keep an eye out for Lucid here going into the next couple of weeks, as we are pivoting down into a potential selling pressure, right? 282 here, as we're below it, it could potentially range down into 240, which personally, in my opinion, I'd look to add here if I'm looking for a swing back above $3.13. Moving forward, in terms of selling pressure and resistances, these are some levels to keep an eye out for. I mentioned 313. There's also going to be 344, which recently we hit a high of 364 and then also a high of 360. After that, we do have 381 and then also 443. In terms of support levels, I have 240 and then also 183. My hope is we don't break below 282 and reject 282. Right now, we're breaking below 282 and potentially retesting 282. If we can confirm that 282 is a support going into this week, again today being February 24th, then it's possible we might get a move back up towards 313 a lot sooner than expected. Especially if the overall market is headed back up towards the top side, I would view 282 as a potential support and potentially even a bottom here moving forward. I think the worst case scenario, or the most bullish case scenario if you're looking to buy at a dip opportunity, right, it would be a dip down towards 240. However, right now, just looking to see how 282 turns out for February 24th. If you guys are in Lucid stock, I highly recommend joining the Discord, link down below in the description, as we do have over 32,000 members. There's a lot of purchases going on right now, but if you're looking for our live entries and exits, you can join our Patreon link. We currently have a 90% off discount, link down below in the description for that, for live entries and exits on options, and that does include Lucid as well, okay? If you're just looking to join for due diligence and ask questions and share knowledge, you can join for free. That link is down below in the description as well for Discord. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next video for Lucid stock.